What is up, my friends? I must say, before we get into today, shout out to my March Madness sports betting group. Whoops. Going over the past 7 days, we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 1. 9 and 1. In fact, our only loss was the one that we gave out to the public the other day. Now, you only have today's Thursday. Tomorrow's the last day for the special, folks. Tomorrow's the last day for the special. The March Madness again runs through April 8th. The tournament starts tomorrow. The beginning of the tournament is the best damn time, because that's when you have the most games. The lines are the softest, and we are going to penetrate more than you've ever seen before. We are probably going to make more money potentially betting sports. Well, actually maybe not, because they put limits on how much you can bet. Hopefully those increase. Normally online the limits are like 1,500. So during the tournament I'm pretty sure that those limits increase. So we might make more betting sports than trading if things keep going as slow as they're going. Now, shout out to my dear friend Magic Poop Cannon. For Magic Poop Cannon and I have gone through many of the same accusations. Oh, you don't show your face. Oh, Poop Cannon has a poop emoji. Oh, he's a perma bear. Oh, CryptoFace, you're just a bear. Long story short, we have been repeating the 2014-2015 price action, and that's what you're looking at here. This chart being today, this chart being 2014-2015. Pretty much sums it up. Something else I'd like to show you, and these things do matter. History does repeat itself, and so history does give us a glimpse of the future. It's not necessarily guaranteed, we know it, but history gives us more of a glimpse in the future than anything. Anyone who tells you anything different is wrong. Now up here, we skid against the dragon line, and given that we are now later in the trend, I would not be surprised if we skid against this line maybe twice as long, 3 times as long even, right? I informed my Discord that I upped my fiat positions, waiting to buy Bitcoin in the case of a drop. Originally I had set it 3,200 and down, but now I'm thinking 3,600. And so you can try to play the micro games. I know we had another spike up and then drop down. The drop down was bigger than the spike up, that's for sure. We've been having this go on for quite some time. Why? Well, all you have to do is just think Chinese, and it's more than likely there to fool some will say that we could be at a sort of double bottom type formation. We've seen this goalpost a good few times before, and after it happens, we do have a slight movement upwards. So I wouldn't be surprised if we come up here to the 3880s, 39, close to 3900 or 3900, something or the other. And in my opinion, that's probably a good place to be looking to short. Not financial advice, that is my own opinion. This is for entertainment purposes only. I will be releasing the Chinese Ching Chong secret indicator to all of my whales. Probably end of day tomorrow or sometime in the near future. People were messaging me today asking if I was okay because I wasn't really around today. Do know that I do have a life, and I know that soon something's gonna happen. And I could be wrong about that. Maybe we just have low volatility again for longer, but I am preparing myself because when a move happens, be it up or down, there will be action and there will be windows that open up. And when that time comes, I'm willing to bet that I'm probably going to be running 20-hour, 22-hour days, sitting in front of my computer like a flop and groper, making a shit ton of money and leading my people doing the same. Our group has probably made more crypto since December, so it's been about 4 months. We're at about our 4-month anniversary, and we have had some amazing runs. And just because the volatility has been low, the time will come. If you don't, there is no rush. There's no rush. And if you're trading to try to make rent this month, then obviously that's a problem. And so that's why we have multiple avenues of income. That's why we show our sports betting. We're 9-1 in the past 7 days. We're 11-2 in the past 10 days. Blackjack, I show you guys, whatever. And then you have your daily jobs and other business investments and all kinds of other stuff. And so this is why we diversify. Because if one thing slows down, you have others to, catch you. Other than that, more of the same. Yeah, so I wouldn't be surprised. We have the sharp drop here, then it comes out, and then it looks about right. There is room to potentially come up a little bit, but when we see these spike ups and spikes down, I mean, that's the trend. We've been doing it since February 25th. Even here, in fact, it's funny. We look at this finger pattern we mentioned and how we repeated it. If you zoom out and go to the daily, we just have Bitcoin is one giant finger pattern. So, in my opinion, we're definitely close to the bottom. It's nothing unheard of. And if we go lower, so be it. Hopefully it does. I would love to see a $2,000 Bitcoin, but I would imagine that it wouldn't be there for long. I don't think it would be there for long. So, until then, there isn't much time left. Scroll down for the specials, because after Friday, prices are going up, folks. Be nice in the Discord. And peace.